Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 13, and its title is Safety. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 1, we will learn about main verbs and helping verbs. Okay, in both way, how we can use main verb and what is the use of helping verbs in a sentence. And before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned about use of be, do and have as main verbs. And also in English for grade 4, continuously we are reading on page number 94 and 95, my dear students. We have already learned a detailed topic about the use of main verb and helping verb. I hope you remember it. If you don't, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today I am going to give you extra knowledge about that how we can use them in our daily routine sentences. So our SLO is, today's SLO is demonstrate the use of be, do, ing and have along with their negative forms as main or helping verbs in a sentences. So today we are going to cover up this SLO. My dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Qasas, verse number 77, and do not desire corruption in the land. Indeed, Allah does not like corruptors. So yes, this beautiful verse is telling us that you must be honest in your all deeds, that Allah Almighty is advising us that we have to be honest, we have to be fair in our all deeds that we are practically doing, so we have to be honest. Okay, because Allah does not like corruptors, means unfair person, dishonest person. Allah Almighty does not like, and not just Allah Almighty, even in our society, in our families, in our friends, also no one likes dishonest person and corrupt persons. Okay, so do you know that? What is that? Do not, does not. Okay, so today we are going to get this. So what are these words? Okay, so are you ready for to refresh your knowledge? So I have pre-reading questions for you because we have already learned, so you will respond that. What do you know about the use of be, do and have as helping and main verbs? Okay, so what do you know? Already I have taught you, my dear students. Pause the video, my dear teacher, and get answer from your students and then come back. Yes, I hope now you have got concept. Okay, now you have refreshed your knowledge that what is the use of be, do and have. Okay, let's see. So yes, my dear students, the verb be is used an auxiliary verb and it can also be used as a main verb. Auxiliary verb, my dear students, we already know that auxiliary verb mean helping verb. It supports the main verb and also tell us the time. The present simple forms are is, am, are, and past simple forms of be, are, was, and were. These are the forms of be. Okay, the verb be, my dear students, we have different forms. Is, am, are, already we have learned. Was, were, already we have learned. Is, am, are, we are using in present time. This is our present time. I am teaching to you. You are sitting in class and you are listening my lecture, so this is your present time. Okay, so was, were for past time, that time has gone, we have spent this time, so this time is past time, and this is the forms that we are using in past time. Okay, how we are using, see there. Examples in both. Helping as a main verb. She is an artist, she is enjoying the music. So yes, my dear students, can you judge that there is use of be, okay, and which form? In present time, and this is showing us present time, and also it is working as a main verb because there is not another verb. When you will this be shape will work as a main verb, you will not find any other verb. Keep remember, my dear students. And when we are using it as a helping verb, so definitely we will find a main verb. She is enjoying the music. Enjoy. Okay, have you got? Good. So whenever we will use first form, base form with ing means present participle we have to use. Keep remember that even in past time, even in present time, when we will use the shapes, the forms of be as a helping verb. So which form of verb we have to use? Definitely we have to use present participle. Okay, so keep remember, definitely. So this is now is working as a helping verb. So have you got? Good. See, you are busy now. Look, there is no other verb. So this are is working as a main verb, my dear students. They are reading lesson. So now this are is working as a, yes, tell me. Good. This are is working as a helping verb because we got a main verb there, reading. Is it clear? Next, I'm hungry. Look, hungry is an adjective, busy is an adjective. This is not an other verb is being used when we are using a main verb. So we will not use another verb. We don't need also, okay? It can complete our sentence. So, but here you can see I am driving a car. So now I am is being used as a helping verb because our main verb is driving. Yes, she was sick. Now you can see that was. She was sick. She is, no, she was. Mean the time has passed. So which time we are discussing here? Past time. So keep remember, we have to use was and were in past time when we want to talk about, when we want to tell the situation that is spent. So we will use past time verbs. So I was waiting for you. Okay. I was waiting for you. I am not waiting for you now. I was waiting for you. The time has gone. Okay. See there. You were in the park. They were sleeping in their rooms. So now have you got that, my dear students? Where we have to use and how we have to use the forms of be in present and past time as a main verb and as a helping verb. So have you got that? Good. So next, see. The verb do, does and did also can be used as a helping verb and a main verb. Do and does is used in present time and did to show the past time. Okay, because already we know, my dear students, that do, does, these are the forms of do, does and did. Okay, second form is did. Definitely we know that we are using past time verb in past time. Okay, so this did is being used to show the time in the past, that how we have spent this time. See in examples, she does her homework. Okay, she does her homework. There is no other verb is there. So does is being used as a main verb. Ali and Adil do their work together. Sarah did the house decoration nicely. So now have you got that? Means Sarah did. Means she did. Means the time has gone. Okay. So keep remember that did we have to use to show the action that happened in the past time, and do and does that happens in present time, like we in habitual action that we are doing regularly. Okay, these are called present time. See there, the main verb have, has, had can be used to express possession as a main verb. So keep remember that, my dear students, when we will use has, have and had as a main verb, so it will show us a possession, means ownership of something. Suppose if I say I have a pen, so this is showing possession, means I have a pen. You have a book, Ali has a car. So in this way, got it? So this has and have is showing now possession, means I am owner. This is showing ownership. Is it clear now? So whenever we used have, has and had, so it will give us possession just. Okay, because have and has we are using in present time, I have a pen, and had is used to show possession in past time, means I had a pen, means I don't have now, I had a pen. So this is showing that I had a pen, but now I have a pen. This is same like that. These things you have now, so you will tell these are yours. Okay, means you are owner. So how you will discuss these things, that which things do you have? Okay, so you have a bag, You have books. You have na? Suppose you had money. In the morning, you had money. Got it? See there. Has, have is used in present perfect and had is used in past perfect tense as helping verb with third form of main verb. Okay, when we will use had and has, have as a helping verb, so what we will do? We will get it as a helping verb and the main verb that we have required, we will use third form. Is it clear? So which form of verb we are using when we are using has, have, had as a main verb, helping verb? Yes, third form of verb. Okay, means it will give us that perfection of a time work, that the work is completed. Okay, when we have completed an action, always perfect tense shows completed action, means nothing is remaining. Now I have done. Suppose I am writing, so I have written. Got it? See examples. Yes, boys have books in their bags. Now, have you got that? Now, which is the use of have here? Yes, as a main verb. I have done my work. See next. She has a beautiful doll. Aisha has taken tea. So, have you got that, my dear students? Here I have used as a main verb and I have done. Have you got? Do, did, done. Third form of verb. Okay, revise with me. Which form of verb we have to use? Third form of verb to show a complete action. Okay, this is a complete action, that I have done my work. So this is a complete action, means we have completed. She has a beautiful doll. Now what is this? Is possession. Ownership is being shown. Aisha has taken tea, means she has taken tea. If you will remove that, you can write Aisha had taken tea, means she had taken tea. The time has gone. In the past, she has done that. Okay? Is it clear? Good, my dear students. See how we can change all these into negative form. To change the positive sentence into negative, be, do and have, we have to add just not right after main verb and same as after helping verb, and rest of the sentence will remain same. So easy structure, my dear students. Just you have to keep remember that. You have to fix in your mind that how you can change a positive sentence into a negative form. So when we are using as a main verb, so right after main verb we have to use not. Okay, and when these are using, if we are going to change a helping verb sentence into a negative sentence, then what we will do? Right after helping verb we will add not. So it will be, and the rest of the sentence will be same. There will be no change. Keep remember. Okay, you will not change anything. Suppose I said that, okay, I have a pen. I don't have a pen. Okay, because then we have to change it into present time. Is it clear? Because have, has, already we have discussed that when we are showing possession in present time. So this is has and have. So definitely when we are changing, so we will use do. So but no need to, we will learn about this whole structure in next level. Okay, don't be confused that how I am giving you. So you will see there. Yes, I am not hungry. So see there, I am right after the main verb, but I have added not. Have you got, my dear students? I am hungry, I'm not hungry. Is it clear? This is the negative sentence. She is not going to the market. Look now, I already discussed that right after the helping verb and before main verb. When we are using be, do and have as a helping verb, then after helping verb we have to add not. See there, I have added there also. Next, main verb is there. She is not going to the market. Ali was not flying the kite. So have you got that? Was not. Together we have to write. Okay. They did not play the game. Have you got, my dear students? They have not left the canteen. So all I have used is all sentences, my dear students, all shapes be, to, have, All three shapes I have. Okay, so they have not left the canteen. Is it clear now? This is the way, and this is the how we are working. How we can use the positive sentence and how we can change negative sentence. So have you got, my dear students? Good job. So now let's perform an activity and see my dear teachers, how much students have got. So what you will do, my dear teachers, write few negative and positive sentence on the whiteboard using be, do, have as a main verb and helping verb. Call students in pair to change the positive sentence into negative and negative into positive form. Praise the student if she writes the correct sentence. So this is an actual activity that how you can get. You will mix up sentences on the board. You will write, my dear teacher, few sentences should be positive and few should be negative. You will call students and they will change the structure of the sentence. If the sentence is positive, they will make it negative, and when the sentence is negative, they will make it positive. In this way, we will able to get that, we will able to assess that how much knowledge students have got, even their concept is clear. Okay, so I'm waiting for you, my dear teacher. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class and get that how much students are gaining. Oh, welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed it. You have got that and you have guided students nicely wherever they need you. Good job. So now open your book. What you will do in question number 4, there is an individual activity, my dear students, on page number 119. This is for you. What you have to do, read the statement and try to understand that what you have to do and try to understand thyself. This is an individual activity and perform this individual activity in class, and teacher will supervise you under the supervision of teacher. Yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and get this activity on your book. Well done, excellent job. Now I hope Alhamdulillah students have got that what is the use of negative and positive forms of be, do and have. Okay, good job. So what's your homework? You will write 10 sentences using be, do and have as a main verb and a helping verb with their negative and positive forms in your notebooks. So okay, this is your homework for today. You will write 10 sentences in your notebook. My dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. This is an actual way that how we can assess the students that what they have learned with this lecture. Okay, so you will provide them into printed form so that they should be able to they should be able to write, to change, how they can change. Their all forms are mentioned there. Auxiliary verb, be, do and have, auxiliary verbs, be, do and does. Okay, this worksheet is for you. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about the use of be, do or have as main verbs in a sentence. We also learned the use of be, do or have as a helping verb in a sentence, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Demonstrate the use of be, do plus ing and have along with their negative forms as main or helping verbs in the sentence. Yes, well done. We have done it. So it means we have got our concept and we have covered up our SLO. So my dear students, you will revise and you will practice these sentences in your home also. I will wait for your kind response. My dear teachers, you will inquire next day that who discussed all these things in their home. Okay, and you will inquire next day. Okay, so be blessed, stay blessed. Have a nice day, my dear students. See you soon with a new lecture tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.